everybody, Ty here, and welcome back to another episode. So we do have a special guest joining us, and it's my little puppy M. But we don't have Andy or anything. You know, the people I told you about, like him. Ember. This is my little dog Emby. I'm gonna put her down. So, I'm just hanging out in the camp. So, I'm gonna take some bearings today. So you can see I got my 8-pack of the decent bearings. So I'm gonna take 3 out. And I'm gonna test them out really quick. So I got 3 bearings. And now I got zip ties. So this is, you can get these at somewhere, I don't know where, but I don't know if it's called I can't say it. It's too complicated, but it's Swiss bearings, which are pretty good. So you're gonna take 2 of the large or medium bearings. Zip ties. And so you see, I got 2 here. Set those by the. I'm gonna need 2 of the smaller bearings so you can see the size difference. So I'm gonna take these first. 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna take it and put it through the back. So you take this and put it through the back of it. You should be able to hear that sound or something. And here, so then it's on the floor. So do you see it? So then you tighten it up. You can push it and make it look straight. No.
YT. Taking your shit.
And then you take it and put the zip tie right. You can fix it up and straighten it up later, and you put ties right here. And you just tighten it out. You can bite it like this and pull it. I obviously don't bite, but to get it more accurately put together better, you can bite it. And it doesn't really matter. But I personally like to have it very tight and very durable. So these are gold coated Hellstring something bearings inside of a zip tie spinner. So you can so hopefully you enjoyed my dirt video. It was really a bad Nerf war. Worst I've seen in centuries. You can check it out. If you go on my channel, I'm a just new channel, so you won't see very many videos. So it's not like you're gonna have to go through a year of it looking for the dirt board video. I won any spoilers. So I'm gonna go get my. You're gonna get your cutter, your zip tie cutters, pliers, whatever you want to call them. You're gonna cut these and make sure they're not sharp at all. Just run your finger over them, and if they're sharp and it hurts, no. Guys, it literally shot from here into this bin. That was amazing. So, I thought that was really cool. It was funny too. So, these are those were my testing bearings for my company. Here. If you have any animals, they will choke on these, so make sure you pick them up and then you can just spin it. Yeah, it spins pretty good. Very nice for a spinner. And yeah, so these test project bearings I bought, thumbs up. So I think they're good. And you can also go to Tyler's or something. This is where I got these Tyler bearings. But they're not going to be as durable because you see these aren't covered on the back, so, but they are definitely worth. They spin very well. 5 stars. And then they also carry some so these are both different sizes. You can definitely tell this is a 3D printed one, which is almost breaking. Hopefully you can see there's little cracks in it. You see? So, and you can spin. Got a pretty good spin out of it. And hopefully you guys enjoyed, and just like make sure these zip ties are in the middle. Like these aren't, but I will put them in the middle later. There we go. And you've got your spinner. See you guys later. Let's end it right. So, I might be posting a video later today, but hopefully you guys enjoy this video and see you guys later.